Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to another video. If you're new to this channel, my name is Pranav Sreenath and in this video I'm going to learn how to do a Superman push-up. So without wasting any of your time, let's move on to the video. First things first, let's see what a Superman push-up is. But before that, let's jump to somewhere safe. Yes. Superman push-up is a combination of explosive push-ups and a hip drive. It requires a great explosive power, a good core strength, shoulder muscles, legs with a good technique. Basically, you push yourself so hard that you feel like you're flying in air. That doesn't make any sense. So I am going to set my milestone to 5 Superman push-ups, but first things first, let's see whether I can do one. I got a lot of work to do. What I'm going to do is first do push-ups, then slowly try to push my hands as far as I can. This is the best solution. Traditional push-ups are beneficial for building upper body strength. When done with proper form, they can also strengthen the lower back, core, triceps, pectoral muscles and also the shoulders. First, you got to be strong. Even before I started training for this, I was able to do at least 20 honest push-ups with a good form. If you have seen my previous video, then you might have noticed that whenever I got tired, my spine were not straight. This is a mistake. The solution for this is to squeeze your back tight. Trust me, this is going to be very painful in the beginning as it uses your core strength, but later it is going to be fruitful. Don't keep your elbows too wide. Always remember to tuck in your elbows. This is very good for your chest and your triceps. They are a fast and effective exercise for building strength. Always take advantage of the full range motion to get the most out of the movement. If you can improve these mistakes, then this will be very beneficial for you. If you can do this at a single go, then you should try this. The next step is the clap push-ups. Today I am trying to do hip drive and raise my hands and legs at the same time. Drag the hips low to create momentum and get your whole body in air. Slowly try to raise the arms in front of you. Now the only thing that I had to do was keep trying, improving the form and getting the maximum height. On day 4, something unexpected happened. After feeling little confident, I decided to try the Superman push-up at my house, which turned out to be a very bad idea. I strained my shoulders very badly because I did not do a proper warm-up. So the tip for the day is to do a proper warm-up before doing any type of exercise. After this, for the next 2 days, the only thing that I did was this.
3 days later.
On day 7, I did my first Superman push-up. Throughout the entire journey, I faced many failures, injuries, and self-doubt. At the beginning, it felt impossible, but with hard work, practice, and consistency, I was able to overcome my fears. And now, that's it for this video guys. If you like this video, then don't forget to press the like button, share button and subscribe to my channel. Peace.